Hey there everyone, this is Ryan with RocketTheme, and today we're taking a look at atom inheritance in Gantry 5.3 and beyond. Now, if you haven't already, please check out our previous tutorials on inheritance for sections, for particles, and layouts so that you can get a better, more well-rounded idea of how inheritance works in Gantry 5. For atoms, though, we do have to go to the Page Settings tab, which is where atoms live. So this is going to be a little bit different than what you're used to with the Layout Manager, but I promise you it will be just as easy. Now, to give you an example of how atoms inheritance works, we're going to look at two different outlines, in this case, home particles, which is our home page, and example outline, which I created for this tutorial. Now in home particles, I've already set up a Google Analytics atom right here in the atoms section. And upon clicking its settings, you'll see it has a UA code filled in, as well as any checkboxes that I wanted to check. In this case, I didn't check any. And I'm going to want to have this sync with the example outline that I created earlier. Now all I have to do is just go over to the example outline. See, I'm still in the Page Settings tab, and I go to the bottom, and you don't see that Google Analytics atom because I didn't put it in the base outline. I wanted this particular analytics code only to apply to my home page and any pages I've assigned to this outline. This is where atoms inheritance comes in handy the most. So I'm going to take a Google Analytics atom, and I'm going to move it down to the atoms bar here. And instead of copying over my UA code, I'm going to go to the Inheritance tab. Now what this will do is it will allow me to clone, which, as we've discussed in previous videos, will make a snapshot of the atom as it exists on the other outline and copy it over. And that's a one-time snapshot. But what we really want to do here is do inherit, which will allow us to sync settings from the other outline to this one. So if I were to change the UA code or select any of the options here on the other outline, that would apply also to this outline. And the next thing we need to do is select an outline, in this case home particles. And you'll see that a Google Analytics atom has already been filled in and is automatically selected here since it's the only one. And upon inspection, you'll notice that that same UA code is now filled in right there. And then I'll just select atom attribute, which will allow for everything on this tab to be inherited from the other outline. I'll click apply and save. And you'll notice these little colored stripes, and that indicates that it is actively inheriting. So now this Google Analytics UA code is being applied to both of the outlines. That's basically it. That's all you have to know to get started with atom inheritance on Gantry 5.3 and beyond. For RocketTheme, this is Ryan saying have a great day. We'll see you again soon.